Hi, here is an amazing healthy recipe. Here I'm cooking celery, cauliflower, tomatoes, garlic, and onions. This is a dish of very healthy veggies that you can prepare in less than 10 minutes. So you get your celery, which is very good for your bones, your cauliflower, your tomato, your onions, your garlic. And of course, this type of nutrition keeps you nice and healthy. So I hope you enjoy this quick, easy, and healthy recipe. I said pow, you said wow. Celery, cauliflower, onions, and garlic. Okay, so a little bit of salt and pepper.